So here's a few strategies for driving consistent reviews. I mean, I've kind of touched on from a high level on some of these, but you want to use any tools you have, whether you have your own tool, if you're currently working with a marketing company, I'm sure they have something, hopefully, that they're helping you implement. And another strategy is you could leave a printed review card if you want to, you know, almost like a reminder, like, hey, whenever you get a chance, leave us a 5-star review. That would be another strategy. We kind of already talked about training your text to plant the seed. And I mean, the good thing about this too is that if they know they have to ask for a review, they're going to be thinking about that while they're doing the work. So they want to make sure that they're personal with the client, they're keeping them happy, they're doing good work. So I mean, there's so many benefits to this from all angles. You can have somebody call from the office. We've seen this done as well. If like, let's say the text the customer, they don't respond for whatever reason, you know, follow-up call the next day, be like, hey, Debbie, if you're still happy, if you don't mind, I can walk you through the process real quick. If you don't mind leaving us a review, I'd appreciate it. That's just an example. And I kind of already talked about the company culture, but everybody needs to be on the same page. And then you do want to hit the reviews from multiple angles: emails, text, apps, you know, phone calls, postcards. There's a lot of different ways, and I'd recommend doing as many as possible for hitting, you know, doing multiple touches on that customer until you get the review. I mean, some people just aren't going to do it right. This is what it is. But if you're hitting them from multiple angles and multiple touch points, that'll increase the odds big time. So here's a few tools. A lot of you guys are familiar with a lot of these. Some of you may not be, but these are kind of more of the bigger players right now on getting reviews. And like I said, if you're currently, you know, doing this yourself, I'm sure you might be using one of these, or if you're with a marketing company, hopefully they're leveraging one of these for you. But I just want to show you that so you guys can see some of the big ones. And make sure, I kind of, like I said, make sure you're responding to the reviews. I already gave you guys the tip about as far as keywords go. But we have seen it works best when, like, an office manager, or normally there's somebody, depending on how big your company is. If you're just starting out and you're not doing too many jobs yet, it might be you that has to do that, which is fine. But if you're a bigger company, you know, you'll have somebody in the office that kind of helps with admin stuff. We've seen it work really well when their job is like, all right, you're in charge of reviews. Anything you see come through, you need to type a response. And then, you know, also negative reviews, like I talked about, come up with a strategy to, you know, sometimes even if somebody's pissed off, you can reach out to them, and if it's just one little, like, thing that they want to change or whatever, you might even be able to change it. But hey, you know, Bob, since I fixed I painted your baseboard that we forgot to paint or whatever, if you don't mind, can you change the 3-star review to a 5-star review? I'd appreciate it. And some people will do that. So before you respond to them online, you might be able to fix the problem, you know, with going back to the customer's house or with a phone call, and then get that 3-star changed to a 5-star. Then you could type, you know, respond to the review after that. So this is just an example of what it looks like. You can, from your Google My Business dashboard, there is a place where you can go in and, you know, respond to the reviews here. And this is just a few examples where you just want to come in and just say, hey, we appreciate your business, you know, blah, blah, blah. So you can do that from your Google My Business dashboard, which, you know, I'm assuming most of you guys have your Google My Business set up, but you can respond to there. Or if you're leveraging some of the softwares like we do with our clients, you can actually respond to reviews inside the dashboard as well, which is another option. So I'm sure, you know, many of you guys have, you know, you can do that with the companies you're working with. So extremely important. Start reviewing, and like I said, I'll say it again because I'm telling you, this is slick. Not many people are doing it. But don't get crazy with the keywords. But drop some keywords into your review responses, and over time, I'm telling you, it'll help. So that's my tip of the day. And something else I haven't mentioned yet too that helps is this is another good tip actually. Something we're seeing we've been working with our clients on is working really well is you can incentivize your techs. Hey, every 5-star review you get, I'll give you $25, or I'll give you a $25 gift card, or I'll give you a $50 gift card. I mean, we've seen people do up to 50. Like depending on how many techs you have, how big your company is, and how important reviews are to you. But we've seen that work extremely well. Like, hey, I'll give you a $50 gift card for every 5-star review you get. So I mean, not only does it help get more reviews, the tech knows like to get a 5-star review, he's gonna have to do good work and take care of the customer. So again, it's kind of like a 1-2 punch to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. That's working really well also. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.